Hi, this is Freddie over at Platinum Auto World, and today we're going to be taking a look at this one owner 2016 Honda Civic two-door hatchback with only 13,000 original American miles. That's right, only 13,000 miles. This vehicle has been kept very well. It belonged to an older lady. Anything the car needed, it got done, which these new cars don't really need anything but oil changes and a couple light bulbs here and there if they go out. But tires have plenty of tread. I'm gonna do a close-up to this tire right here. They are all matching tires. This thing right here comes loaded with all the normal power options: cruise, power windows, power locks. Believe it or not, this car right here comes with heated seats, driver and passenger, and it also comes with remote start. Definitely Honda has come long ways from when I was driving Hondas. You also get remote start with this, just very neat. See if we can make it happen here. There it is. Nice headlights right there. They do have a nice strip right here, LED strip. I'm telling you, this thing is nice. You also have a remote to pop your trunk, which is very neat. Very clean car inside. It's kind of, sun's coming down, so it's kind of affecting my camera, but I don't know how well you can see, but the trunk space is clean. It also comes with backup camera, believe it or not. You got steering wheel controls, push start button, fancy. There you go. You gotta click that push start button so you can detect the keys. Comes with 2 keys. I will say remotes. Here's your parking brake. Right here, parking brake. Nice. You got the economic button, I guess to say fuel. There's the heated seat buttons. It does come with backup camera. You put it in reverse. There you go. I don't know how well you all can see that. I know the sun is right in front of me, but let me see if I can roll over here. Alright, let's see here. That's reverse. Let's see here. And then we also have, when you put your turn signal to the right, it actually has a camera right there on the passenger mirror, so you can see if you have any cars on your right. It does not do it when you do it to your left, though. Very nice car, clean. If you're looking for a nice low mileage fuel saver, see, that's what I was talking about. Those lights are actually pretty cool. Consider taking a look at this 2016 Honda. Keep in mind, it's a one owner, 13,000 miles, great tires, sunroof, all the normal power options. It's got everything. If you're a commuter, if you travel up north or south for your work and want to save money on fuel, consider taking a look at this baby. It's only 13,000 miles. This thing will last you forever. Plus, it's a Honda. Give us a call at 540-898. If you want to see more pictures of this vehicle, they are available now at driveplatinum.com. Feel free to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. driveplatinum.com. Thank you for watching.